Good morning. This is English video session for class 6. This is about an Indian American women in space, Kalpana Chawla. Yes. Okay. She is an Indian American who was part of international crew aboard in US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first Indian woman in India to go into the space. Sadly, the second mission Columbia ended in a tragedy. Now children, this class I am going to tell about one of the most prominent character, one of the most important person in the history of space, and that too an Indian American woman, Kalpana Chawla. There are n number of girls who aspire to be like Kalpana Chawla today. Many children have taken her as a model to follow how they have to shape their life. Okay, ambition. Such stories will definitely inspire many children. An Indian American women in space, that is Kalpana Chawla. Okay children, so this is the main the story of her, how she became, and totally about her, how did she get into the field. All the details are given here. This lesson many children have felt it as a great inspiration to the studies. Understood? Now let me go to the next stating. A space shuttle is a spacecraft. What is a space shuttle? A space shuttle is a spacecraft. What is it made up of? Repeated space travel means like rocket. Unlike a rocket, and rocket is different. This is from Earth to the space station. Okay. So what is there are a few words in this which are quite unfamiliar in our usage. Naturalized. Natural Indian, natural US. What is this natural? Everybody is called a natural. What is this naturalized US citizen? What is the meaning of space? What are frontiers? Space doesn't have frontiers, but what are the frontiers of the space? Abort, A-B-O-A-R-D, abort. Lift off, take off, crew members. These are all part and parcel of words which comes in international when we travel in an international, when we undertake a journey through international way. So naturalized US citizen, then space, then frontiers. Okay, anything which has got boundaries. Abort, when they are inside the mission, is called a abort. Okay, when you are part and parcel of a mission. And lift off, take off, you have to, from the earth you take off and go to the space station. Okay, and the crew members, you don't go alone in the space travel, you go with other members. So the whole team is called crew. What is it called? Crew. C-R-E-W. Okay children, that is crew members. Airplane, program. See, in this lesson it's two types of spellings you have to know in English. One is the Indian English, another one is the American English. What we Indians use is the British English. Okay, and what is used by the American is American English. Are they different? Yes, there is some changes in it. There are some spelling there are differences in the spellings, and in the computer when you write a British spelling which we are following in India, it may show the American spelling, but today it has become accepted form because all the Microsoft things are developed by the US only. So those spellings have become part and parcel of our understanding. Like program, P-R-O-G-R-A-M. But in this one, PROGRAMME, is it not? In English we write it as program, MME. Airplane, we write it as aeroplane, AEROPLANE. But here we call it as that is called British English. See the spellings. So there are lot of changes. There are many words which are like this. American English, by the time you go through it, you will find many changes in these spellings. Okay, airplane, okay, we call it as aeroplane. In American English it is AIRPLANE. We call AEROPLANE. And what is the program? PROGRAMME, we write it, but in American English they write it as PROGRAM. Okay, so if you ask me, ma'am, can I write American English spellings in exams? Avoid. You must avoid, because in India we are following only London based BBC English. Okay, we need to follow the spellings as per the Wren and Martin prescribed BBC English pronunciation and spellings only. So I can't say that way American English, I cannot say it's wrong, but you need to avoid in your examination purposes the American spellings and use the British spellings only. Is that clear? This is a doubt that is many children are having. Ma'am, should we use English spelling? American English spelling is wrong. Why is it wrong? Always these questions are asked to me. This is the issue. Nothing very serious, but okay. ठीक है. Now, I am going to the next most important thing. Let me see. The tragedy in space. See, there are people when they don't ride consciously with the helmet on, riding to the left. There are accidents happening in the road, bus accident, road accident. It's a tragedy. It's very sad to note such tragedy. It's a life is gone. It's a tragedy. Okay. But how does tragedy happens in space? How did it happen, and what is the is there any safety? What are the things that can be done if we need to be there? Okay, it's unpredictable. It's unpredictable of what is happening in space, because you are not there. Nobody is going to come to help. The fire engine may not come. The police department will not come. Nobody is there to help you out. See the passage. It is an unprecedented space tragedy. US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart into flames as it streaked over Texas towards the landing strip on Saturday, 1 February 2003, killing all the 7 on the boat. The shuttle was contact with NASA at 9 a.m. 19:30 hours in International Standard Time as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 200,000 feet and traveling at over 2,000 kilometers per hour when the ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It has stayed in the orbit for 16 days, and the 7 members crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in a tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Imagine a title given as one visit, only one space has given information about the space as 100 flight would give. Imagine if those people had come alive to the land and they have given, means how much of information they would have given to us. Breaks into flames, okay, in the space itself. We are not able to understand what it is. Spaceship, you can't wear the same dress, you can't wear like that and go. There is a lot of activity that needs to be conducted before an individual is selected to the space travel. Okay, yes, I stop with this. Do read some books on space travel. There are n number of films that have come, so please make a note of it and do it so that you get an idea of what is space mission. Okay, I stop here. See you tomorrow, children.